In this video, I will be sharing 3 key recipes that you can make any time of the year, but especially for the summer. This is going to keep you hydrated, keep your bowels flowing, keep your skin glowing, and everything in between. Yes, I know. You want to stick around for these recipes because I'm telling you, the last one, chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Hey everybody, if you're new here, I'm Sanaya and I am the holistic nutritionist that you have been waiting for all along. I am the founder of Self-Love Foundation, an academy for whole food teaching and natural food healing. Listen, I help high achievers master gut health without starvation using the garden method. What's the garden method? Simply eating from earth. We eat from earth. We eat from the bushes, the hedges, the trees. We eat from the ground, the roots. Yes, we use all of what God gave us to make sure that our gut is flowing and thriving in the way that it is intended for us to be. So this video is going to be short and sweet and simple, but I want you all to make sure that you screenshot these recipes, try it at home, leave a comment down below to tell me which one is your favorite. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these nice cooling drinks. Drink number 1 is my favorite just because it's the most simplest. It's simply watermelon and lime. Now, you can have watermelon and lime added with some oranges and some peaches and add a different flavor to it, which is going to be so good, literally so good. However, this is one of the ways that you can definitely get your electrolytes in. It's a key drink that you could drink to make sure that you're getting your electrolytes, help muscle fatigue, and just hydrate you on a cellular level. You cannot go wrong with watermelon juice. See the watermelon juice with that lime is going to set it off every single time. All right, for drink number 2. This is my favorite green juice recipe. I always am going to drink this green juice when I want a green juice. This green juice recipe consists of green apples, honeydew melon, cucumbers, celery, and kale. The cucumbers give just enough water for that juice aspect, and the honeydew melon makes it oh so sweet. Why the honeydew melon? Because a lot of people always complain that green juice tastes like grass. Y'all, grow up. Y'all taste buds need to elevate, okay? So yes, the honeydew melon is necessary for this recipe. Just for this recipe. And I promise you will not be disappointed. And lastly, I saved the best for last because this drink right here is not a juice. However, it is a detox water. And you can definitely make this, steep it overnight. And I promise you, when you drink it, the next day, it's going to taste like a Starburst. It really tastes like a tropical Starburst. Like, this is one of my favorite recipes that I've ever made. And I'm going to make it again and again and again and again. The coconut water, the grapefruit, the lime, the mango. Oh my gosh. Who would have known these flavors meshed together so well? This is electrolyte heaven. Like, when I say this drink is so pure and great for your cells, I mean from head to toe. In this clip, you see that I didn't strain or drain mine, but you could also do that if you don't like pulp or anything like that. But fruit doesn't bother me, so I just let it be. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the recipes down in the description box below. And don't forget to keep it light, keep it cute, and full of fruit. Love y'all. Bye.